In C#, when must we use a list with a lock and when can we use a concurrent bag? In a previous video, we did the following example. We have here this numbers list and then we do some parallel for, and we wanted to add some numbers into that list. In order to avoid a race condition, we use a lock, and we saw that this indeed worked. But some people made some comments about how they can use, in this case, a concurrent bag instead of a list combined with a lock. Now that is fine in certain scenarios, like for example, when the order of the elements do not matter. If the order do matter, then we cannot use a concurrent bag. Let's see an example. Here, as you can see, we have basically the same code, but now we're adding also a concurrent bag to the mix. We're saying here parallel for, and we have this concurrent bag at datetime ticks. This will allow me to see if the insertion order is being respected in the concurrent bag and also in the numbers list. Then here we have that we're counting the elements of both collections, and also we are iterating both collections to determine the order. Now, since we're using datetime, we expect to have items in ascending order, right? So let's see that. Ctrl F5, and let's see that indeed the count works, but the order doesn't in the concurrent bag. Let's see. Here in the list we can see that these numbers are in ascending order, but we cannot say the same about concurrent bag. As you can see here, we have A1, A3, A4, A6, A4, 3, 4. So this one is larger than this one and also larger than this one, which means that the order of insertion is not being respected. Therefore, you can use concurrent bag if you don't care about the order of insertion of the elements. Now, if you do, you must use a list with a lock or another data type that guarantees the order. Follow me for more .NET content.